my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys packing with me, because not only am I going to Dubai, but I'm going to New York too. But as of right now, I'm not planning on vlogging these trips. I know I'm not going to vlog for Dubai. I might vlog for New York just because I want to be able to enjoy the vacations and actually like not have to worry about if I'm getting enough content for like a good video for me to post. So yeah, but as always, before I get any more into the video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go straight into the video. So in my suitcase I already had the clothes that I brought from Amazon in here, and I'm gonna just show you guys what I got real quick. It's actually really cute. This is a tie-up dress. You put it on like this, and it has like the little slit on the side and everything. It's gonna be super cute. I got a white bikini that I'm not gonna pull out. I'll just put the picture right there for you guys to see. And I got an abaya, a pack of these jogs, like a black modest dress. I'm just gonna start picking out the clothes I'm gonna wear and try to put like outfits together so I can plan like what I'm wearing on each day, basically. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I low-key look good, but y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this dress, because I don't know. I might bring it, I might not. Just imagine me with the hairstyle I'm gonna have for Dubai. It's gonna be like braids and then like a leave out. I'll put a picture so y'all can see. Just imagine me with that hairstyle in this dress until Tuesday. Because I don't know. Alright, now I'm all done with my packing. I got my stuff for Dubai and my stuff for New York. Of course, you know, I'm not leaving for like a few days, so I've just got to pack my toiletries and then I'm done and I'm ready to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next week for a new video.